In my previous video, I taught us how to change these letters here, all these here to small letters, So now I want to take us through the reverse function. Let's say, for instance, your boss asks you to change all these to capital letters. Probably you prefer it in capital letters, and you have thousands of it here. So instead of typing it one after the other, like this, and then this, and then this, right? Instead of typing it like that, there is a reverse fixture which you can use. The name of that function is the upper function, just like you can see here, upper function. So let's get started. So this is how it goes. So you can just come here and type the equal sign. All Excel formulas start with the equal sign and type upper, just like the name implies. You double click and then you click on the range of cells you want to capitalize. Click on the range of cells you want to capitalize. You drag down. When you drag down to the end and then you click on enter, you can see here that every word has been capitalized. The east, the central, everyone, just the way it is. The only difference is that it has been capitalized. So now what do? I said it in my previous video that you don't just copy and paste, because this now it is formula. You can see it is formula based. If you just copy and paste, you won't get the right value. So what do? What you do is that you copy and then you come here, you paste as value. You will see two type of paste. One is just the paste, and then the second one is paste as values that has 1, 2, 3. So you paste as values, and then you can see that all your stuff has come just the way it is, only that it has been capitalized. All right, this makes your work efficient and fast, while others are coming to do, while others are doing it for 1 week, 2 days, 3 days. You can do yours under 30 seconds, and that's all. And then you can come here to delete this. You delete this, and your work is done. So if this video is helpful to you, you like it, drop a comment and subscribe. I'll be dropping more videos about data analysis. You know, um, we are starting from the basics. So thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you in my next video.